Hello and welcome to another unboxing video. Today we're going to unbox this Brother H110 label printer. As schools are beginning, there is a high demand on label printers to label various items that belong to students. So let's have a look around the box. Choose from 4 different label widths: 12mm, 9mm, 6mm and 3.5mm. So you can label various items like sport items, cables, and you can even label fabric and clothing, label oddly shaped and textured surfaces, keep computer and audiovisual cables organized. Well, as the manufacturer claims, it's easy handheld label maker, lightweight, portable, easy to use, useful cable labeling features, easy to preview, easy access memory, variety of tapes, easy ways to personalize. This got very good reviews on various sites like Amazon and other e-commerce sites. So what's inside the box? It said that there's the label maker, there's black on white standard laminated starter tape and user guide. So we need to buy 6 AAA alkaline batteries or an optional AC power adapter and additional TVA tapes in variety of colors and sizes. So at least it comes with a standard tape. Specifications: unit dimensions 109mm times 202mm times 55mm. The weight is 0.4 kilograms without the batteries, and it supports Arabic. So let's open it up. So this is the label maker. Let's have a look around it. This is all the buttons. This is the screen. There is here the PCN 9 volts. This is where you cut the tape. Batteries and tape cartridge. So this is the tape cartridge that comes with that. We'll see how to install that. And this is the user manual, tape guide. This is the safety precautions in English and safety precautions in Arabic. And this is the user's guides in English and in Arabic. And there are no kind of AC adapters or power cables. So basically this is the label maker or printer, and this is one cartridge that comes with it, and this is the documentation. So let's install this cartridge and some batteries here, and let's see how it works. So I got these batteries. Let's install the batteries. So the bottom will be on like this. On the top ones, the opposite direction. Let's install this tape. I guess you have to align this with the corresponding pins. So this label has to be on the top side. Simple as that. So let's close it. And we have to remove this label here. So let's just start it and try using it. I think I need to read the user guide. Let's just turn it on. Let me print a label for the channel and click OK and see if it prints. Click here. Simple as that. S76 Pro, and you click here, you press like that to cut it. And You click here on this one to delete, and there's a menu here. You can select text and format, text only, and you can use Latin letters and also Arabic letters. Let's just have a look inside this tape guide. So there are different type of tapes and colors you can choose from that this printer will support. This printer is good for home office, home, let's say for Tupperware, toys, jars, notebooks, for the garden. You can even have them on iron on, like on shirts and other type of clothing items, or for the home office. You can label your CD cases, your files, actually anything you would need to label, you can label it. And as I said, it's available on 3.5mm, 6mm, 9mm, 12mm and 80mm tapes. But it said here that it depends on the model. Check this getting started guide. So it basically says whatever we done so far, that you have to open it up and insert the cartridge and insert the batteries and close it. And basic usage that you will just enter here whatever you want to print and just click on this. You will enter here any text you want to print and you will click on this button to print. Here you can change the font sizes and types. So this was just a quick setup guide and unboxing of the PTH110 Brother label printer with documentation, and that's it. This was a very quick unboxing. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe if you get any kind of useful information from this video, and if you enjoyed this video, and see you next time. Bye.